Hello friends, I am Yusha Abbas and today I am going to show you how to make a box with 3 squares. First you have to select the rectangular tool or press M. That is the shortcut key to select rectangular tool. Press shift and drag to make one square. Then press Alt and Shift to drag to make another duplicate of it. You will make another duplicate with Alt and Shift and drag it over here. Then use the direct selection tool and select these both parts and drag it and put it like this. Then select these both parts and drag and put like this. So I hope friends you like this video. So please like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get more notifications on my channel. Bye bye.